You know how to warm your hands up, by the way, before you start your practice? You get in there on a cold day?
On the first patient.
On the first patient.
Under your body.
Why'd you ask? Why'd you? Microwave.
I'm just gonna do that to help you guys pick it up. Just run them under warm water.
You're the
closest.
Oh,
That was my third
that
guess.
was what I was gonna say, yeah.
That was mine.
Don't let
I
it
heat up.
goes on in continental US. Okay. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna motion, and our motion palpation, whether we're doing it prone or whether we're doing it supine, is the same. Your hand closest to the patient is what you'll be palpating with, and, I'm sorry, my hand's so cold. And my other hand, I'm just gonna lift this up, just like this. Has everybody got it? And I'm feeling for that characteristic moving down, right? Okay, you always check the good side first. Go over to the side over here. Oh, wow, this one is not working quite so well. Well, it doesn't go down like it should. I'm gonna be on the anterior superior aspect. I'm gonna have my patient look away. I'm gonna take out all my slack and I'm gonna thrust. Or I can do it like this with my adjustment. Remember, you're in front of that big trap muscle. And a little A to P. And that's how you can do it supine. If you want to do it prone, can you lay it over for us, please? So, you know, and one thing that happens from time to time in your office, I know because I've made this mistake. When you turn the patient over, you think, oh, this is one side, this is the other. You know, make sure you know rights and left, because when they go from supine to prone, you'll be surprised how easy it is to get confused when you're running busy in your practice. Okay? So, again, if I was going to motion it, we'll say that this is the good side. I'm going to bring this up. Okay, that seems to lower the spine. And I'm going to go to this side. Remember, you have to come up in front of that trap. I'm going to go like this and say, okay, see it, so that one doesn't move. And I'm going to come up like this, bring this over this direction, take out my slack and flat. Okay, everybody see that? That's how you have to do it in for the first or second rib. Okay? Okay, Roman, can I have you stand up for a minute? And face this way. In fact, come on down here. These ribs in here, what we're going to do is we're going to have our patient inspire and expire. So you have them breathe in and out, and out, and they should move like this, like bucket handles on each side, right? If they're not moving up and down like this, that means that it's gone superior here at the costovertebral junction, and so we're going to just come over here and lift it up and make our adjustment. Does everybody got that? Anybody have any questions? Okay, Ron, we're going to have you lay face down. This time what we'll do, we'll have the patient lay, and you definitely want their arms to be down at their side instead of like, I'm sorry, down at towards the floor instead of at their side, because you need to move that scapula out of the way so you have room to make your adjustment, right? We've gone through that. In fact, as Dr. Becker's shown you how to adjust the scapula, you see how far it moves off to the side, so you have room to adjust. And just look at the skeleton, you think, wow, there's nowhere in here to adjust, no room. But as you've noticed, whenever they move their arms, everything changes. So you come up, palpate along that rib angle, you'll find that when it's tender, you're going to make your contact just medial to that rib angle. Take a nice pisiform contact on it. Get as specific as you can. Your line of drive is medial to lateral, I to S in a little bit, A to P, just thrust, just like that. Okay, so everybody got that? If the patient's too heavy for you to lift them up, what can you do? Have you seen it? Come in. Say, hey, pull this hip up like this in this direction as you stand here and make your adjustment. Okay? Any questions about the ribs? All right, that's going to be the most difficult part of this test. The easy part now is going to be for the hip, because the only two hip adjustments we're going to do is an internal femur and an external femur. Okay, the long axis distraction, I'm not testing you on that on your practical. I'll ask you questions about it on your written, but it's not part of the